welcome back to another unboxing. This is a very special unboxing. A little package sent by my friend up north, Warren Scott from LightekSlots.ca. This is a little bit of I don't know, we can call it a prize or a consolation prize after finishing last on the Global Racing League. But still pretty thankful from receiving something. So I'm gonna see what's inside. I got an idea already, but let's open it together and find out. All right, let's move this along. Got a little helper to get it open. Okay. No, just that. Okay. Okay. All right. Open the box here. Little note. Let's see. All right. Let's see if we can show it correctly. Thank you for reporting. All right. Okay. So there's a couple of things. Actually, there's a bunch of goodies in here. So let's find out what's inside. All right. So first, let's move it to the. Okay, so he did show a little bit on to me the other day. So this is actually pretty cool. It is acrylic with some engraving. Let's see, we can. All right, I guess this goes mounted here with the light. But okay, I'm gonna have to insert some extra video in here with the whole setup. This is all glue in place. So all right, then the other couple goodies. Oh, stickers. Sweet, bunch of little stickers. Oh, looks like there's gonna be some good things added to. Oh, look at that. That's what it was. I like that. Podcast. All right, and even some candies and lollies and a couple more things. Cool. Thank you, Warren. You know my taste. All right, but the other part that came in is this little prize too, for again consolation prize from my finishing last on the Global Racing League, and looks like a Carrera car, and it is. We have awesome the Ford Mustang GTY. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this guy around. Again, I cannot thank you enough, Warren, for this little present. That is super cool. So we're gonna have to do some driving around, some testing. So we will add that on a later date. For now, thanks everybody for tuning in. We'll add some more content to the video, or add a second video later with a test drive and all that with the new car. And thanks again, Warren. LightekSlots.ca, LightekSlots.ca. So if you're looking for Carrera and other brands and the slot car market, that's where you need to go, right? Thanks again. Until next time. Bye.